Have you ever noticed that when you're talking to your dog, they seem to be studying your face with an intensity no other animal can match? It's not just your imagination. Psychologists have discovered that dogs possess something called a left gaze bias. When humans look at a face, our eyes instinctively drift to the right side of the other person's face, which is actually their left side. Why do we do this? Because the left side of a human face is better at displaying emotion. The right hemisphere of our brain, which processes emotions, controls the left side of our face. Here's the incredible part. Dogs do this too, but only with humans. They don't look at other dogs this way. They have evolved a specific neurological pathway just to read our moods. So when your dog stares at you, they aren't just looking for a crumb of food. They are performing a high-speed psychological scan of your emotional state. Now, have you ever seen your dog's paws twitch or heard them give a muffled woof in their sleep? We used to think this was just random nerve firing, but we now know dogs have sleep cycles very similar to ours, including REM, or rapid eye movement, sleep. Based on their brainwave patterns, researchers believe dogs dream about dog things. A pointer will likely dream of pointing. A retriever will dream of fetching. But there's a psychological reason for their sleeping habits. Dogs are naturally crepuscular, meaning they're most active at dawn and dusk. However, they've adapted their psychology to match our monophasic sleep pattern, which is one long stretch at night. So, if your dog sleeps all day while you're at work, they aren't just lazy. They are matching their energy levels to your schedule so they can be 100% present the moment you walk through the door. What about when your dog walks up to you and just leans their entire body weight against your legs? You might think they're just tired or being a bit pushy. In canine psychology, this is known as a social hug. Since dogs can't physically wrap their arms around us, they use body pressure to signal trust and seek security. It's a physical manifestation of a deep psychological bond. This leads to another fascinating behavior, the Zoomies. Scientifically, these are called F.R.A.P.s, which stands for frenetic random activity periods. These sudden bursts of running aren't just about physical energy. Psychologically, they are a stress release valve. You'll often see them after a bath or a visit to the vet. It's the dog's way of saying, I survived that tension, and now I'm celebrating. It's pure, unadulterated joy and relief. But do dogs have a sense of justice? Surprisingly, yes. A famous study at the University of Vienna tested two dogs sitting side by side. When one dog got a piece of sausage as a reward and the other got nothing, the unpaid dog eventually stopped performing the trick and started showing signs of stress, like licking and scratching. They knew it wasn't fair. However, and here's the funny part, dogs don't really care if the quality of the reward is different. If one dog gets steak and the other gets a plain cracker, they are both usually happy. Their psychology is focused on equity, not necessarily equality. As long as they are being recognized for their effort, their social fairness meter is satisfied. They just want to be included in the transaction. We often think we are the ones training our dogs, but psychology suggests it's a two-way street. Dogs have successfully trained humans to respond to specific barks and those irresistible puppy dog eyes, a muscle movement they actually developed specifically to mimic human infant expressions, triggering our nurturing instincts. We don't just live with dogs. We have co-evolved a shared psychological language over thousands of years. They are the only species on Earth that has traded its wild instincts for a seat on our sofa and a deep, intuitive understanding of our hearts. So, the next time your dog zooms around the room or leans against your knee, know that it's not just instinct, it's a complex mind trying its best to talk to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the amazing minds of animals.